Guys, on today's video, I'm sharing with you some tips that have helped me to navigate motherhood. Yes, there are so many. And the first one I'm starting with is the bib I recently got for my toddler. And it's a lifesaver. This bib, I'll show you the picture. I'll put the picture here definitely. The bib is a lifesaver for me. I got this silicone bib that come with sex before, and I was using it for my baby. But I discovered it was helpful at her tender age when she was much younger. But I discovered immediately she was 8, 9 months. It was no longer useful, and I have to abandon it honestly. But now I got this. I just saw it online. I saw it somewhere online, and I have to call. I have to order for it, and I ordered for it, and it has been doing magic. Like it has been working so amazingly well for me that even when I take it to church, I take it to any public place, even Christ, her nanny in Christ called me like, where did you get this bib for me doing the work? I show you the bib. I put on the bib on her, even when she pour oil on her body, her outfit won't stay. Okay, before now, the challenge I was always having is this. I will feed her. Anytime I finish feeding her, all her outfits is messed up. I have to pull all those outfits and wash. And the washing of those clothes is not even a problem. You know, there are some fabric that when stain like oil and other, okay, maybe tea, if she's taking tea and bread, all those stuff stain some outfits. And those stains will not easily go off those materials. And God help you if that material is not white. Like you can't use bleach. You know there are some fabric that is not white material. The color is not white, and you cannot use bleach. And if you dare use bleach, you will ruin the entire outfit. So those kind of outfit, I have a whole lot of them. The stain will be there. I'll do everything to remove this stain. It will go off it. And once I start scrubbing that particular spot, concentrating on it, and I will discover that that place will be different from the entire outfit. I will end up not using the outfit on her again. And it has not been funny. It has been saving me. Even when she pour oil on her body, literally, my own just to remove the bib and just use wipe or towel. I just soak it in water and clean up the bib. And that's all. And her outfit will still be very much intact. I'll add the video here. Another thing that has saved me in navigating motherhood is washing my baby's clothes after each use. Because since I start work, I've been so busy trying to sort out a lot of things at the same time and all that. Immediately I start work, for the first few weeks, I ended up piling up clothes and it wasn't funny. Or recently, what I started doing, immediately we return back. Because once I close from work like this, I go pick her up in college, then we'll go to the house and do one or two things and all that. What can I do? Immediately I go to the house as I'm preparing dinner. The clothes she used that day, most of the people, I take the clothes she wore that day. I just take them, I put them in water. And I love washing her clothes with my hands normally. I put her clothes in water, then I wash immediately as I'm preparing dinner. I make sure I wash her clothes and dry them on the line. And it has been helping me for a lot. Even my own too. Once I finish washing her own, the clothes I use that day, I wash them on daily basis. And it has helped me to keep my house organized. Another thing again that have helped me in this my motherhood journey is me planning me ahead. The power of timetable cannot be overemphasized. Yes, I have timetable from me or what we eat when we got married. I was having that challenge. Immediately I finished preparing breakfast, I'll be thinking of what we'll be eating for lunch. Immediately lunch is over, I'll be thinking evening. Before you know, it was really tasking and so draining for me. And I remember that one evening I told my husband, don't you think to be nice to prepare timetable for food in this house than take care of what I will cook every day? He was like, oh, it's nice. If you know you can do it, it's no problem. And I actually have to look at what we normally eat in the house, what we often eat in the house. And I designed the timetable. I can say that if you're interested in that food timetable, let me know. Maybe I'll drop it for you. Just let me know if you're interested. because I know what we eat in the house. So I design my timetable that way. And it has been a lifesaver for me since we got married, even up till now that I have my daughter. It has been helpful. I know what we are eating, I prepare it, and I know what she's taking to class the next day. Another one that has helped me in this journey again, in this my motherhood journey, is me preparing myself each day as a working class mom. If you don't have your time planned out, you will be frustrated. The fact remains that motherhood is hectic, it's draining. I must be honest with you. I wake up 5 o'clock, sometimes 4 o'clock. Hey, if I have things to do, I wake up 4 o'clock. I wake up 5 o'clock, and once I wake up, I prepare myself, prepare my baby. I breakfast these days. It's not my thing because let me get that to slay. Yes, I'm working on my way, so I don't really take anything out of the house for myself. But my baby's one is compulsory. I have to prepare something for her. And what I do, if I wake up, I go to the kitchen, prepare what she's taking and all. With my daughter, my husband, for now, my husband is not taking food to work for a reason, yes. For now, he's not taking. But prior to this time, I normally prepare his lunch for him every day. As we leave the house, I prepare his lunch. Put it in the car for him. But for now, I'm not doing his own because he's not having breakfast for the meal time. Yes, I'll bathe myself and all that. Then my outfit, I normally prepare my outfit and my baby outfit, including my husband's outfit, the day before the normal day. So what I do, once I finish from the kitchen preparing lunch and what my baby is taking to school, I head straight up to prepare my baby's breakfast. And most of the time it's always cereal, puree, sometimes tea and bread, all those normal things. That's what she normally take in the morning for breakfast. And I always boil water in her flask a day before. Yes. Every evening, I also prepare for our clothes we are wearing out. I prepare hot water, I boil hot water and put in her flask. So we can use it for the morning, like to prepare her puree, to bathe her, and all those plenty things. So immediately I finished that, preparing all of that, I went straight to the bathroom. I bathed myself, I take care of myself. Then, once I take care of myself, I prepare myself to a reasonable extent. Then probably, maybe by now she might have been awake, but if she's not awake, I'll go wake her up, have a little playtime with her and all that, cheer her up. Then I try to make her use, like, started potty training her, so I'll try to make sure she uses her potty. Then after which, I go brush her teeth, clean her mouth with warm water. She have her paste, then her toothbrush. So I do all of that for her. After which I'll bathe her, do all of that. Then immediately I finish bathing her, I give her breakfast. Well, before I was giving her breakfast before bath, but I now discover when she wakes up like that, maybe she find it difficult to take something. So I have to bathe her so that she can have time to easy up before I'll prepare her breakfast, and she'll have her breakfast. Then when she finish having her breakfast, I prepare her, dress her up. By now, my husband must have been ready. Then my husband will drop us off. The day my husband is around. If my husband is not around, I have someone that I normally call. The person will come down, pick us from the house. Then I will drop my baby off at crèche. Then after which, the person will come and drop me in my place of work. It's not free though, I pay the guy. Normally pay it. That is how we normally do it. If my husband is not around. But the time and the days my husband is around, he will help out with choice, and he will also help out dropping us off. There are things that have helped me. There are so much. There are so much. But I don't want this video to be too long. So let me drop this here, and with time we'll be on very day gradually. I told you guys on this channel, no gatekeeping. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, drop your comments in the comment section, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and give this video a thumbs up so you always get notified each time we upload a new video. Yes, don't forget Ziva Space. Got you. Thank you for watching.